Hey everybody, George Curtis Van Loo here with Method to the Melody. So excited that we're going to be able to practice together today. Please make sure to play along with these videos every single day. Get your instrument ready and let's get started. In number 1, you have quarter notes. They are filled in, solid, with a stem. They receive 1 beat. Make sure you're counting and tapping your foot to keep the beat. Now that we're ready, let's play number 1. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Last note, ready, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's play that song a few times in a row. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Last note, ready, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Last note, ready, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's move on to song number 2. In music, there are bar lines that separate our measures. Let's count how many measures we have in this song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get your instruments ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Switch to the new note. Play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2. The last note, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's play that song a few more times. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Switch to the new note, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2. The last note, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Switch to the new note, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2. The last note, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Switch to the new note, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2. The last note, go. Play, 2, 3, 4. Great job. You're all doing absolutely amazing. Let's look at song number 3. Let's all play this song together. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Your highest note, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's play that song a couple more times. 1, 2, ready, play. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. Play, 2, 3, 4, rest. Your highest note. Ready, play. Play 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ready, play. Play 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Play 2, 3, 4. Rest. Your highest note. Ready, play. Play 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Number 4. Drums, you have something a little bit different, so make sure you pay close attention to where your rests are. All right, let's play song number 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Drums, keep playing. Ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Drums. And ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Drums. We're going to need to focus on this one a little bit more. It's gonna need more practice than some of the other ones on this page. Let's play it a few more times. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Drums, keep playing. Ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Drums. And ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Drums. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Drums, keep playing. Ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Drums. And ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Drums. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Drums, keep playing. Ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Drums. And ready, go. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Drums. Great job. You might have heard number 5 before. It's hot cross buns. Let's play song number 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Rest, rest. Play 2, play 4. Play 2. Rest, rest. Play, 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 play 2, play 4, play 2, 3, 4. Great job! Let's play that song a few more times. It's really fun. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, rest, rest. Play 2, play 4. Play 2, rest, rest. Play, 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 play 2, play 4. Play 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play 2, play 4. Play to rest, rest. Play to play for, play to rest, rest. Play, 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 play to play for, play 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Play to play for, play to rest, rest. Play to play for, play to rest, rest. Play, 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 play to play for, play 2, 3, 4. Great job! Fill in a box on your Purposeful Practice stamp. Make sure to watch and play with the video as many more times as you need to fill in all of the boxes. You all did an absolutely fantastic job. Remember to practice with the videos every single day. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.